Hi and welcome to Elite Influencing. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to understand sections, rows, and columns in the Architect. So the first thing you want to do is come here to my account and go to the Architect. So your website is made up of different sections, rows, and columns. So this is a section right here. We'll do it with this one. This is a section right here, and in this section is this row, and it has these two columns. So having different columns is a good way to make your website responsive on tablet and mobile. So if we look here, we have this text on this side and the image on this side, but this wouldn't fit on the mobile version. So when you go to mobile, the columns break down one on top of another so they can fit better on mobile. And you want to make sure when you're adjusting things on your website to keep each widget in its column, because if you move it to a different column on the mobile, it will move that widget to the different column on the desktop. So having sections, rows, and columns is a good way to organize your site to make it easier to adjust on mobile and tablet. If you want to add something new to your website, you can come down here and add a new section wherever you want to add it. So we'll add one down below here. And then you have this new section. You can adjust the size. You can add different widgets into it. And you can add different rows to separate it better. And you can add columns. So if we add a column right here, and then we add another button, you can see that when we go to mobile, it will break down these two columns right here, and then this one that had two buttons in it will just be squished together. So that is how sections and rows and columns all work. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.